Hello, everyone! Welcome to King English class.
Today we will learn to spell English on the topic of animal names through real pictures and videos. Let's get started. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Zebra. Seed. E-B-R-A. Zebra. Giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. Hippopotamus. H-I-P-P-O-T-A-M-U-S. Hippopotamus. Polar bear. P-O-L-A-R-B-E-A-R. Polar bear. Panda. P-A-N-D-A. Panda. Bison. B-I-S-O-N. Bison. Kangaroo. K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O. Kangaroo. Bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. Koala. K-O-A-L-A. Koala. Raccoon. R-A-C-C-O-O-N. Raccoon. Cow. C-O-W. Cow. Cheetah. C-H-E-E-T-A-H. Cheetah. Mongoose. M-O-N-G-O-O. S-E. Mongoose. Buffalo. B-U-F-F-A-L-O. Buffalo. Wolf. W-O-L-F. Wolf. Hyena. H-Y-E-N-A. Hyena. Polar bear. P-O-L-A-R-B-E-A-R. Polar bear. Fox. F-O-X. Fox. Moose. M-O-O-S-E. Moose. Wild boar. W-I-L-D-B-O-A-R. Wild boar. Deer. D-E-E-R. Deer. Elk. E-L-K. Elk. Anteater. A-N-T-E-A-T-E-R. Anteater. Porcupine. P-O-R-C-U-P-I-N-E. Porcupine.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.